Disregard, my name is Daira Maria More Renteria. This activity is for the English course and group 9017060. According to technology development and session consumption, consider the cloud warming affect environment pollution because the impact of the climate change generated by land degradation, economic growth, poverty, developing countries, pollution growth, rapid urbanization, and the scarcity of natural resources affect of us. Its current trend, continue and solution are not implementation in the sustainable way. The status of environment worldwide will deteriorate. Government and the United Nations must adopt practical measures that guarantee the strategy of climate neutrality. It is important to take measures of sustainable development, economic policy, climate policy, ecological policy, and technology. So, I recommend tackling the problem of the environment and development by a global and comprehensive approach. Thank you.